I wanted to tell you about some research that we did from 2021 to 2023 that was funded by the DCC and was conducted by the Cannabis Research Center. When Prop 64 went into effect, I think most of us are aware of the history around this. It was sort of a rushed effort on the part of the counties to consult with stakeholders. In many instances, tribes were not consulted, and there was kind of an unreported kind of clamoring amongst tribes that there was no academic research done on effects from cannabis policy changes to tribal communities. Over these 2 years, we conducted research with all of the federally recognized tribes in the state, did major outreach to the 120 federally recognized tribes, as well as around 40 state recognized tribes, and built a couple of Qualtrics surveys and did a lot of interview work, basically to determine what kind of impacts tribes were seeing due to cannabis policy. Through this project, we've done a few publications, Environmental Letters E and the Journal of Extension, talking to policy folks about how they could better serve tribes through outreach and through cooperative approaches, as opposed to sort of like a top-down method that you often see in planning departments. And through these interviews and conversations, one of our products, in addition to publications, is this tribal resource page. And this was basically done to facilitate tribal groups getting access to information that was again and again reported to us was difficult to attain. So as opposed to each individual tribe, again, 120 federally recognized tribes in the state having to do their own due diligence to find these resources, the Cannabis Research Center put this page together. Basically, it's divided around policy and land use, mapping and GIS tools, and tribal consultation.